Good morning, traders. Michael Sabo here with RJO Futures here on Tuesday, July 17th, bringing you some late morning commentary here in the energy markets. Let's start off here with the crude oil here. Still looking at that August crude oil, although last trade date is going to be on this Friday, so we'll start looking at the September contract. Many traders have already started rolling positions and looking at September. But right now we've got August crude trading around 88.02, down about 41 cents. The Brent, we're already looking at September Brent. We're around 103.31. It's off about 6 cents. As always, give me a call. You want to talk about the WTI Brent spread. Lots of opportunity there. We can go into more detail. Give me a call on the trade desk. We can go over that. Taking a look at the other energy products here. Nat gas, a touch firmer here right now, 283.20. We're up about 3 to 4 cents there. Mixed in the complex. RBOB down around 185, sitting around 283.60 area. And the heat up about 51 at around 283.28. So a bit of a mix there in the complex here. Let's dive right into the fundamentals. What's driving this market here? Well, we've got outside markets here early morning. We're somewhat further ahead here. Global markets, some positive signs there. Our own equity market opened up here. We saw two-sided action in there here so far, but the main thing is it seems to be fairly stable there. You've got, yesterday we saw in the August crude oil there a breakout. Remember when I was talking with you and I gave some commentary there, we were still basically trading under the previous session's high. We're looking to see that market break. We saw it break. Appeared that we were seeing the shorts get ran out of the market there. Strong upside there. We saw a close around 88.48. So market is trying to still push ahead. Now, premium is being built into the market, I think, a little bit, or has been built into the market. You still got a lot of fears there, the Iranian fears there, and questions about their nuclear program, etc. There were some reports yesterday about the U.S. Navy firing on what is supposed to be a fishing boat somewhere off the shores there of United Arab Emirates. Still not quite sure what really took place there, but nonetheless, you get that kind of news into the market. There's already some fear when they were talking about the Strait of Hormuz and the Iranians threatening at possibly a blockade or some shutdown, basically trying to disrupt oil flow. Which I don't think would be anything that would be, long-lived for them. I think we'd take decisive military action if that became a problem. About 20% of the world's oil supply does move through that strait, so I don't think we're going to see anything. We've obviously got a strong military presence there. I don't think we'd see anything there that'd be long-lasting, but it is interesting nonetheless, and it does have obviously the capability of building more premium into the oil market. As I've already mentioned here yesterday, supply side looks great. Demand remains questionable. The reports that are coming out here at, on the macro level, is very mixed. But as I mentioned yesterday, and I'll say it again here today, I've been targeting here for quite some time. Look back through my posts around that 88 to 92 area. We're here. We've seen here today we hit a high of 89.23. I'm still targeting here. I think we're going to see a $90 print there in that oil market, and then from there we got to see what happens. But ultimately, we might start to see some pullback there if we don't see, the demand side start to strengthen, or if we really don't see some serious supply, either disruptions or drawdowns. So we'll keep an eye on that. Nonetheless, a lot of different ways to play that market. Short term, we're starting to look a little bit overbought. I do have some strategies to play that market, both upside and downside. So whether you're a bull or a bear, give me a call. We can discuss different strategies at play in that market. A lot of ebbs and flows in that market here. So it's really a great market to try to take advantage of, whether you're trading futures or you're trading options in that market. We're going to have API numbers out later today. DOE numbers are going to be coming out tomorrow morning. You like to get put on that distribution list, give me a call, shoot me an email. We can add you into that so you can keep that information there at your fingertips. Number to the trade desk, 800-367-7290. And of course, remember that futures trading isn't suitable for all traders, and the risk of loss does exist in futures trading. Thank you.